1969 Chevrolet Camaro showpiece, guys. Rotisserie restoration. You got beautiful engine compartment, tubular control arms, aluminum radiator, 350, four-wheel power disc, overdrive trans, buckets, console, gauges, excellent paint throughout the car, beautiful trunk, guys. Ready for the next owner. The underneath of this car, you can eat off of it. It is all body color underneath. For financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com. A, you will need good credit. B, you will need 10% down. For delivery, call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Check this out. Yeah, get more at the website.